girlfriend should be in room 204. It'll be nice to finally meet her in person. Can't open it. I just got here anyway. Why would I want to leave? Huh? No power. But I just came through this door. That's strange. I don't know what to do with that yet. I don't know what to do with that yet. Alright, up the... Alright, up the stairs I go. It'll be nice to finally meet her in person. She's so sweet. Looks like the elevator's out. I'll have to take the stairs. My online girlfriend should be in room 204. Doesn't work. Who would have guessed? I'll have to take the stairs then. Whoa. I wonder what they use this room for. Whoa. Nice mirror. What the hell? I need to stop staying up so late. Huh. Laundry room. Cool. It's a washer full of clothes. It's an empty dryer. Wait. What's this? Got it. What if Zelda were a girl? I've always wondered that too. My online girlfriend should be in room 204. The elevator's out, so I'll have to take the stairs. Alright, on to room 204. I hope she's as excited to meet me as I am to meet her. I mean, she did invite me here after all. This isn't the right floor. Terabethica's waiting for me in room 204. The elevator's out, so I'll have to take the stairs. I was really surprised when she suddenly invited me all the way out to California. She seemed pretty abrasive about it before, but now she's welcoming me with open arms. Looks like this is my stop. I'm pretty sure this is floor 2. Alright, now I just need to find room 204. Oh. Alright, now I just need to look for room 204. Alright, this is it. This isn't room 204. I shouldn't bother these people. It's locked. Won't open. It's locked. My internet girlfriend should be in room 204. Alright, this is it. Alright, here goes nothing. Hello? Terabethica? Are you in here? I'm surprised she left the door unlocked. Light doesn't work. But there is a candle right over there, so clearly someone's home. I think I have to use this candle as a... I should check around and see if there's a light in here that works. I don't want to be sitting in here in the dark. And I'm kind of worried about Terabethica. This is room 204, so she should be here. Looks like I need a key for this door. A bathroom. Pretty decent. I wonder if this light works. Ha, there we go. Now that this light's on, I should be able to see things a little bit clearer. It's a soap bottle. I should look around and see if I can... the candle's hot. I should look around it. I've been holding this candle for too long. I should look around now that the light's on. I should check around now that the light's on. Locked. Locked. Whoa, it's open. A pair of glasses. Might be useful. Looking good. I should check around now that the light's on. It's locked. It's locked. Maybe I can find a key around here somewhere. That door wasn't open before. I should go check it out. I should go check out that area. Might be something important. Whoa! It's locked. It's locked. Still not opening. I should really check and see if there are any keys around for those bedrooms. Who knows what kind of danger Terabethica could be in. I mean, I guess I could check downstairs. Maybe they left the key in the laundry room somehow. Man, this place really gives me the creeps. Nope, still doesn't work. Okay, that's not happening. There must be some way to fix this elevator. I wonder what's behind this door. Oh, a breaker. I might be able to fix the elevator with this. That's not it. That must be the elevator starting up. Why do they make doors so heavy? The elevator elevator should be up and working. I should see if I can find any of those keys for the rooms. There's something shining in here. Almost got it. It's a key. Maybe I can open up one of those doors with this. I should try and see if the elevator's working now. Alright. Looks like I'm not that dumb after all. Terabethica lives on floor 2. Terabethica lives on floor 2. I should make my way there. That door's not open anymore. That's strange. Nothing I can do about it. I should see if I can open up one of those doors with this key. Huh? Terabethica? I hope I didn't frighten you. It's just me, Isaac. From the dating site? You told me to let myself in when I got here, so I did. But you weren't here. Hello? Terabethica? I should really see if I can open up one of those doors with this key. I don't have to go right now. I don't have to go right now. I don't have to go right now. It's a shower. Let's see which door this key goes to. Whoa, it's really dark in here. It's a bed. Huh? Some sort of lifelike mannequin. That's not creepy at all. It's really dark in here. What's this? Another key. What's this gunk on it? Must go to Terabethica's room. Huh? You've got to be kidding me. What the hell is that thing? I've got to find a way to lose that thing. So you're saying you were killed by a mannequin? How exactly are you sitting in front of me right now, then? Sorry, I must have gotten confused at some point. You've only got 10 hours to get your story straight. Come on, think harder. I've got to find a way to lose that thing. Huh? It stops moving when I'm facing it. I could use that to my advantage. That was close. Okay, what now? I've got to find a way to get rid of that thing. It's getting closer. So, it can't climb stairs. Good for me. I wonder if this key will work for Terabethica's room. That was a close one. I almost got put on display. I better go find Terabethica. She should be in room. Huh? That door. It's open again. There might be something important there. Still locked. Yep, just like last time. Still locked, huh? What's this? Estate sale. It's call me if you get lost estate sale. I'm sure they won't mind if I hold on to this. I guess they want people to burst the glass open if they want to use the fire extinguisher. sure hope Terabethica is okay. Hello? Terabethica? It's me again. What is that sound? Huh? Damn it. I must have lost the candle in the chase. Well, here goes nothing. Huh? It's locked. It won't open. This is it. I finally get to meet Terabethica face to face. I hope everything is okay. Terabethica, are you okay? Terabethica, what's wrong? Terabethica? Huh? What the hell? This place is messing with my mind. I've got to find Terabethica. Huh? Is this written in blood? What the hell is going on here? Terabethica? Wait up, Terabethica. You're not well. We should get you some help. There you are. How did you do that? Whatever. We have to get you to a hospital. Terabethica, why are you so cold? No way. So that's your story. She just wandered out and died. You claim to have met Terabethica on a dating site known as Hills, yet we weren't able to find this site or this app at all. There's no evidence that it even existed. You claim to have been attacked by some sort of paranormal mannequin. Unfortunately, we searched the whole place, and we didn't find anything of the sort. You claim that when you went into Terabethica's room, there were bloody fingerprints and blood writing all over her glass closet door. However, there was no such thing at the crime scene. And finally, we also decided to check the camera feeds. And while some of the footage was destroyed or corrupted, we do have footage of you tampering with electrical systems, running up and down stairs, coming in and out of doors, and of course, entering and exiting Terabethica's home multiple times. It's not looking good for you at all. Look, even as your lawyer, this stuff is very hard to believe. I mean, maybe if you had somehow trapped the mannequin, we'd know that it exists. Maybe if you were able to take a photo of the blood writings on the wall, we'd know it was there. And since your phone doesn't work all of a sudden, maybe if you found hers, we'd have evidence that you guys even knew each other. And I don't think you should blame yourself for what happened to her. But maybe if you were just a little bit quicker, she'd still be here. But don't worry, kid. We'll try to make the best out of this, alright?